Now we are going into Kane Creek, which is like a multi-terrain.
Not only is the vehicle very capable, but it's also a very luxurious and comfortable ride out here.
Something new on this Trailhawk that I'm really excited about is the new suspension package that we put together. Some things we did was improve articulation. We got a lot more travel in the vehicle. For instance, in the front, we got over an inch of extra travel.
So the Grand Cherokee will do up to 20 inches of water fording in off-road too. It makes it so when you go through the water, you've got confidence you'll make it through. But the great thing about the Grand Cherokee is really just how simple everything is to do on the fly. And you really do it from this whole select train command center. And you can put it in off-road, you can put it in select speed, you can put it in 4 low. It's all done right here with just the touch of a button as you're driving. It's really simple to do. With how these canyons were carved over millions of years, and you get to come out here in your Jeep. And your Jeep allows you to get out here and experience this. That's what's so amazing about being out here.